Hey guys, guess what? I broke my excavator. Pretty sure operator error. But anyway, today is repair and maintenance day. All right, which end to do first? I guess I'll do this end down here. So, try to get you guys as close in as I can so you can see. Anyway, this is just a matter of pulling these two loose. And that wasn't too bad. Definitely a messy job. It's not too bad. Alright, well this is the line that's busted. So I'm gonna wrap this up in a towel and load up and we'll go see if we can get a new one made. So guys, I just got back from James River John Deere, the one in Martinsville, Virginia. They do the hydraulic lines. I want to show you what we found. And so this was the old line, and if you pull this back, I don't know, let me see if you can see. I don't know if you can see right there where the split is. It's right here. Evidently, I must have grabbed a limb or something and ripped it that made it break like that. But anyway, here's the new one. They made this from scratch for me. Guys, I'm going to tell you, people at James River John Deere and their service counter, so awesome. They're number one. They're nice as they can be. And I was in and out of the store in probably 15 minutes with this one made from scratch. It was awesome. So big shout out to those guys. Anyway, got the new line. Let's get her put on. All right, these right here are self-sealing the way the flange on the metal is, so you don't have to put any kind of Teflon tape or there's no rubber O-ring or anything. You just put it on and tighten it down. Yeah, let's see. There we go. Alrighty, so now we see it like that, and got the same kind of swag as the other one does. So let's fire this bad boy up and let's see. Let me put you on this side. We'll see when we operate it if we have anything spewing out of it anymore. Guys, we are dry as a bell. Well, I got a lot of hydraulic oil debris from where it was leaking. That's an easy cleanup when I get in your pressure washer. But for now, we are back in operation. So I'm tickled to death. One job down, and I got another maintenance fix to do, and I'll include that on another video here shortly. So guys, for now, hope you enjoyed this little short video on a quick repair. You guys know here at Project Next One, there's always one more. So hang in there and more videos coming, always. Guys, take care. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.